In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use COUNTIF formula in Excel step by step. COUNTIF formula used to count the corresponding values based on the specified criteria. COUNTIF has two parameters. One is range and second one is criteria. Range of cell that apply criteria against. Criteria determine the specific cell or value. So let's write the formula. Equal to COUNTIF. Select the range is C2 to C13 and the value is C2. The value is desktop in the C2 cell. So there are three desktop. Yes, there are three desktop in the range. Let's check laptop. Yes, there are 6 laptops in the range C2 to C13. Now you can put value instead of cell number. Yes, it's also working. Laptop in the range. Now different column D2 to D13. Criteria is greater than 50, double quotation, greater than 50. There are two number 52 and 55 in the range D2 to D13. If greater than or equal, then you can see there are three numbers 52, 50 and 55 in the range D2 to D13.